Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to play Pteranodon in the Isle. Pteranodon is a flying creature that focuses on scouting and survival. Once you spawn in, the most important part of the game is to survive and grow your dinosaur. Remember to manage your stamina carefully. Open your dinosaur status by pressing tab on your keyboard. From here you can see the preferred food for Pteranodon. Since there's no map available in-game, click the asset location shown in this tab. Then open your browser and search for islemaps.com. Here you can paste your coordinates to see where you spawned. Once you know your location, use high ground and cliffs to scout safely. You can also use your scent ability by holding Q to track important locations. Migration zones are useful for scouting since herbivores gather there. As a pteranodon, you can observe safely from the air and only land when it's safe to feed or drink. It relies on mobility, awareness, and avoiding unnecessary fights. Focus on survival, information gathering, and safe positioning until you reach adulthood. And that's how to play Pteranodon in the Isle. Thank you so much for watching.